Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to the notification gang. Thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. Thank you. We're gonna jump straight into today's video. I know you guys have been awaiting this video. Today's video is gonna be my first haul video. It's gonna be a winter haul. I know some of you are like, it's not winter, it's winter here. Okay, it's winter here in Australia, so I'm gonna be doing a winter haul. So here's all the products that I have. It's a big box. I am gonna open it up and we're gonna jump straight into the video. I'm gonna show you guys the stuff that I got. I've got my box cutter here. If you don't have your own box cutter, then you need to get on my shopping level because I moved to the side so I can show you guys the outfits in full. So the first one is this toy soldier sort of set. It's quite nice. I got it in an extra small because I'm an extra small, so, and yeah, I think it should fit quite nice. I think this is one of those like pieces where it's like you're like, you know, is this gonna look nice? But you just have to style it really well and make it look really nice, put the right accessories, and it'll look really good. And this is one you can wear in autumn, winter and spring, so I think I'll really enjoy this one. I was a bit hesitant on what it'll look like with the quality, but I think it'll be really nice. And this is the jacket. And the jacket has like a belt that it comes with as well. So these two are a two-piece set. The next item that I got, two-piece set, is this tracksuit set. So it's like these sort of, what color is this? Stone tracksuits, and they've got like a pleat down the side as well. They look quite big, to be honest. These are a size small. Everything that I got is either in a size extra small or small, or I think there was only just one extra small, so everything else is in a small, and I usually fit an extra small, but you take whatever is available really. So these and it comes with like a turtleneck jumper as well. I feel like the turtleneck jumper would look really nice with a lot of different outfits, even with like jeans and a nice bomber or something like that. Okay, the next stuff that I got is this skirt. Looks like that. I think this is a size small. It doesn't look like it. Oh, it is a size small, but this waist is far too big for me. Yeah, it's far too big for me. I think it's going to be a little loose. Maybe it might fit my hips. Even my hips, I don't think it'll fit my hips, but anyway, we'll see. But the jumper, I think the jumper should fit. Oh, the jumper is really cute. Jumper's very cute. But the jumper is definitely my favorite of the two. I would definitely pair the jumper with like a pair of jeans or pair of pants, and you know, rock the, I think I'll wear the jumper more than I'll wear the actual skirt, because I don't think the skirt will fit me very well. This one, my favorite, I think. I think I'm gonna really like this if it fits well and it doesn't fit like the other one. If this is the correct sizing. It's wild, it's wild. It's a color I don't usually pick, but I feel like it'll look really, really nice on my skin tone. This is like a lime green set as well. Oh, this is perfect. This waist, yeah. So this looks like it'll be perfect. And then it comes with a turtleneck matching jumper as well. And the quality is quite nice actually. It's not too heavy, but at the same time it's not too thin. It's just like in the middle. But it's more so knitted. It's different from the other set that we use. But this set, I feel like I really, really love. I'm excited to try this one on. Okay, this next one is similar to a turtleneck I actually have, and that turtleneck has got, what do you call it? Magumbese, I don't know what lint all over it, and it's just like, ugh, it's ugly now and I hate it, but I love the color. I have a turtleneck that is this exact color, but this one is a dress. I love a good midi dress. I'm a sucker for a good midi dress, especially thick midi dresses. And I'm really, really happy with the quality of this one. It looks really nice. My only problem is it goes like straight down. What? There's no like shape to it whatsoever. It's just like, whoa. So I have a feeling like it's gonna be baggy on my back. But we'll see. This is one that I'll wear with the coat anyway, so I wouldn't mind if it's baggy. I would have loved for it to fit. I wouldn't get it tailored or anything because it's just it's a knit, and like, you know, it's for casual wears. This one I'm not vibing with too much. It's giving me grandma vibes. It looked nicer on the model anyway. Again, nice little elastic there. Cinches into the waist, so that's really good. Color's really nice. I love white knit stuff. This one is, I think, a bit see-through. I don't know whether you can see it. You probably won't be able to see it, but she's see-through. You can see my arm through it, which sucks. So you got to make sure that when you're wearing this one, you put on some black undergarments, or you wear it with stockings or something. I think this is probably one that I wear like in the heart of winter. Oh, my hair. Can you please stay? Then it also comes with a what's this? A knit. I think it's meant to be cropped. I'm not too sure. It's sort of mid-cropped, something like that. One you could actually wear with sneakers as well. This is a real sneaker one. Or sneakers, a coat, a black coat, something like that. Yeah, and that's all the stuff, guys. I wanted to get some pieces that are a bit different from what I would usually get, so that, you know, there's a variety of stuff. But all these two-piece knits are really, really good. My favorite would definitely have to be the green one and the toy soldier one. That's not what it's called. I'm just calling it the toy soldier one. But yeah, I hope you guys liked my styling ideas for the outfits and how I would wear them, what I would pair them with and stuff like that. If you want to see more fashion content, more fashion stuff, more hauls, more lookbooks, things like that, let me know in the comments section below. And if you have any other suggestions for videos you would like to see, let me know as well. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. Mwah.